Go.
All right, Jackson, let's get it. There you go. Good job. That's a good speed. You don't need to go any faster than that.
Oh, I will try this ramp.
Slow down a little bit. You got a corner coming up. Try to stay in the middle of the trail, okay?
Is it an easy corner?
Yeah, I was just talking about this little corner.
I tried driving corner.
I know. Good job. Stay right in the middle of the trail, okay? Don't get close to the edges.
Yeah.
Right in the middle.
When I went on my own stand to a tree,
Yeah.
I'll stop.
Okay, slow down a little bit. Good job.
This turns aren't even hard.
I know, I told you it'd be a lot easier than the rabbit hole. Slow down a little bit. Stay in the middle.
Was that a snake hole?
Who knows? Just pay attention to where you're going.
There's a hole in the middle of the track. Stop.
Okay, pedal. There you go. Try to stay in the middle, okay? You're getting pretty close to the edges.
Oh,
Stay in the middle. There you go.
What if a rattlesnake is on the track?
Huh?
What if a rattlesnake is on the track?
Then we'll stop. Okay, here's the first steep corner. I'll help you, okay?
Ooh.
Okay, sit down. Get on your brakes. Get on your brakes. Rear brake skid. There you go. Okay, stand back up. There you go. Good job. Heck yeah. Doing awesome, buddy.
Yeah, but if we stop, will it come at us?
Don't worry about it, okay? If we see a snake, I'll grab you and stop you, okay? Okay, nice and slow right here. Some rear brake skids if you need to. There you go. Stay in the middle of the trail. There's a small hill right here, but then it's gonna go uphill, okay? Nice and slow, slow you down a little bit. Rear brake. Okay, now pedal. Pedal. Good job. That's one of the hardest spots right there.
If that part was actually pretty.
Yeah. Good job. Try to look forward. You want to look where you're trying to go, okay? Pump this little roller here. Nice. Pedal. There you go. Okay, now coast. Yeah, you can just coast through here.
I wish I had one of those fish to come to my base here.
Yeah.
Catch that bad boy. This is probably one of my longest bridge.
Yeah, this is a long trail. Okay, slow down. Little rear brake. There you go. Watch where you're going, okay? You want to stay right in the middle of the trail.
That's the hard part because you only bumpy.
Yeah, that's why you got to pay attention to where you're going. If you see a rock, try to just pick the smoothest spot, okay?
First, there's like this down part.
Yeah.
Is there any more steep parts?
Yeah, there's going to be 2 or 3 steep corners, but I'll help you, okay?
My leg's shaking my hand. I don't know why.
You're doing awesome, buddy.
This should be like our new main trail.
Yeah, I forgot about it till I wrote it a little while ago. There you go. Don't get going too fast, even if it's an easy part, because sometimes this trail's a little bit slick, so it can be hard to slow down once you get going really fast. So you're doing good. There you go. Good job. Okay, stay in the middle right here. There you go. Don't look at the part you don't want to go to, okay? You want to look at the middle. If you stare at the side, it's going to make you go that way, okay? So always look forward.
I'm looking forward.
Okay, slow it down a lot. This is the steepest corner. So slow it down lots. And I'll help you, okay? I got you. You're fine. You're fine. We'll go at this speed. Get on your rear brake. Rear brake. Turn. There you go. Put your feet on. Don't take your feet off. A little more rear brake. There you go. There you go. Good job.
So that's the hardest one?
That's the hardest corner. There's another one that's pretty hard.
Not harder than that?
Yeah. So listen. See how it slopes that way?
Yeah.
You want to stay closer to the uphill side. You keep going closer to your right. You need to stay closer to the left. Okay? Because if you fall, you want to fall on the side that has the hill. You don't want to fall off the downhill. You know what I'm saying?
That totally makes sense.
All right. So if you feel like you're gonna fall to the left. Okay?
That's correct.
Yeah, you're doing great, buddy. Stay to the left, remember? All right, stand up. Get a little pedaling right here. There's a little bit of a corner. Keep your feet on. There you go. Why I keep saying stay in the middle? You keep staying on the right. Slow down. There you go. Good brakes. Slow down. Slow down. I think there's gonna be a little bit of rocks in the trail up here.
Oh no.
Just little ones. There you go, bud. It's a little bit bumpy right here. You're fine. Keep your feet on. There you go. Good job. Okay, there's gonna be one more corner. Stay on the left, bud. You keep going to the right, you're gonna go off the trail. You need to pay attention. You're doing good though, okay? Yeah, that's the corner. It's like a little, maybe somebody put that there for a warning. I'll help you. Okay, practice your brakes. We're gonna stay right in the middle of the turn. Get on your rear brake hard, harder. There you go. Don't pedal, just keep your feet on. Good job.
I can never pedal on this thing. Except for pure pro like that.
Because you're still learning, so you don't need to pedal and go fast right now.
Have to stay on the right.
Yes, good job. Now, if you get scared, stay on the right. Okay, this part's a little bumpy, so let's stay slow. Good job. Remember, if it's bumpy, it helps to stand up, okay? Good job.